Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Victini, another Pokemon. Looks like a rabbit with pointed ears. So let's start by drawing the left side of the head, and it's going to be one part of the oval of his head. Okay, and then here's the center line of the face right here. So like right here, let's go ahead and draw the mouth first right here. The top of the mouth will be just a slight curve, and then a V-shaped line for the bottom of the mouth. And I'll go ahead and draw the two teeth with my thinner pen and an indication of the tongue right here. And I'll just go ahead and color in the inside of the mouth. Next, let's draw the one eye, which is over here, and it's just a big oval. And the other eye will be a little bit foreshortened, meaning it'll be a little bit narrower of an oval because it's wrapping around the head. And I'm going to switch over again to my smaller pen because I'm going to lose some of the detail by using the bigger Sharpie. So let's draw a small circle here for the highlight and an oval highlight over here. And his blue eyes are two-toned, so let's just draw an oval inside. So this is kind of like the pupil with a highlight, but the whole eye itself will be blue, shades of blue. Let's draw a slight indication of the nose with just a short line. And then coming off here, over on the right side of the face, will be his arm, his left arm. So let's draw a curved line that kind of curves back in where the wrist would be. And let's draw a curved line where the wrist is. And then we're going to go out again. So the arm kind of forms like a cuff around the wrist. So we're going to come out and then narrow back down to the body. Let's do the other side for the other arm. And here we're just going to go out first with a curve where the wrist is, and then start heading back to the body. Again, it narrows down. So go down like this. And let me just fix up that line a little bit. Let's draw the three fingered hands, and these are just kind of triangular shaped appendages. So 1, 2, and 3. And we'll do the same on this side. So we'll draw the thumb. Let's draw the back of the hand first with a slight curve, and then he's going to have two fingers here, pointy fingers, and then back to the wrist. And we'll just indicate the thumb here with a triangular line pointing to the right. Let's continue back to the head. Now that we drew the arm, the head will be coming off the wrist area here, going back this way. So let's go ahead and do that. Start heading back. Okay, so now we can draw the ears, which are basically V-shaped. Let's start right here, just on the inside of the forehead. We're going to draw a line that goes way out here. So from here, we're going to go down to that point. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw the top part of this V. So from here, just head back with more or less a straight line. And then here, we're going to go ahead and go to the point over here. Okay, again, a gentle curve. Alright, so let's finish off the back then of his ears, going down this way to the head. So then let's go ahead and draw the inside of his ear, which is just another V-shaped line here. And back down. I'm going to go ahead and color this in. Alright, let's go back to our thinner Sharpie. Let's go ahead and draw the body. So here we're going to go down with a gentle curve first, and then it's going to come out a little bit for where the leg would be. So let's curve it out a little bit and then back up, and then his left leg will be kind of sticking out this way. So go back a little bit with this line first, go over, and then start curving it in, and then this will curve back up, and we can extend this arm line so that it overlaps the body line here. Alright, so there's a detail line right here that's a V shape. Just go down and then go back up to the waist. Let's draw the two-toed feet now. So just a couple triangular shapes just like the fingers, and over here coming off this knee. Alright, so next will be the wing-like tails. So there'll be one on this side. So coming off the waist here, just go out and back, and then from here let's go out just a little bit and back, and finally a third feather back, and here it's gonna kind of go out behind the arm. So let's start with a line there, and it's gonna continue behind the arm and over, and we'll make this feather kind of longer, and then the second feather, and finally a third feather, and start heading back. Next I'm gonna just draw some shadow lines with my thin pen. And finally I'm gonna just darken some of the other lines just like I had done with the ears. And I like to stylize these a little bit by varying the line width. It's not just one continuous line. So that's it. This was Victini, a victory Pokemon that looks like a rabbit. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.